Hello, I am Atul Rane, Director General BrahMos DRDO, Ministry of Defence, and CEO MD BrahMos Aerospace. As we celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Make in India campaign, let us pay tribute to its profound impact on our defence sector. From bolstering self-reliance to fostering innovation, it has fortified our nation's security and propelled us towards a future of strength and sovereignty. As a participant and observer of this historic milestone, I eagerly anticipate sharing enlightening anecdotes about how this initiative has molded India's defense capabilities at the second edition of the Festival of Manufacturing.